Exercise 5.3, question number 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. We have to find here sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Yes, we have to find it. So, children, in question like this, you have to keep the word between in your mind. Sometimes the word between is not given, but they have given from 0 and 20. So, what will be the trick will be used when you are given between and when you are given from. So whenever we are given between any two numbers, it may be any two numbers, but whenever you are given the word between, in that case, these two numbers will be excluded. We have to find the number between these two numbers. That means the boundary numbers will not be included when we are given between. But if we are given the word from 0 to 50, then boundary numbers will be also included. So if you are given from, these two numbers will be included. If you are given between, these two numbers will be excluded. So between 0 and 50, the range of numbers odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, and you will find the last number to be 49, the last odd number between 0 and 50. So this gives you an arithmetic progression of odd numbers. Okay, so we get from here A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2, and the last number L is equal to 49, which is also called AN. Okay, so we have to find the sum of all these numbers. For that, we are requiring that how many numbers are these, and we have to find out first. So since we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN, which is 49, is equal to A, which is 1, plus N minus 1 into D is 2. So 49 minus 1 upon 2, which will come down, is equal to N minus 1. So 48 upon 2, that is 24, which is equal to N minus 1. So N will be equal to 24 plus 1, that is N equal to 25. So it is quite obvious that between 0 and 50, half are odd numbers and half are even numbers, so N equal to 25. But we cannot take this N directly by assuming, we have to find it. Now, we have to find the sum of this, and N equal to 25. That means S25 will be equal to, we have to find out. So since we know that Sn equal to N by 2, A plus L or A plus AN, direct formula can be used. So S25 is equal to 25 upon 2 into A, which is 1, plus L, which is 49. So S25 will be equal to 25 by 2 into 50. You can cancel this. So S25 will be equal to 25 into 25 is 625. So this is the sum of all the odd numbers between 0 and 50.